Alright, I'm going to show you how I made my high voltage rotary motor. So first of all, I took just a paper plate and I glued 2 aluminum cans to either side. Next I kind of glued and taped a pen as best I could in between. That will be the axis for my part of the motor that spins to move on. So what I did was I made the moving part of the motor just a styrofoam cup. I put a little plastic piece for the tip of the pen to rotate on, and then I put 2 pieces of aluminum foil. I taped those on to the cup there. I then connected a paper clip onto each can like that for the electrons to travel through, and then I connected wire from the first can and I led it up to the screen and I attached it to a sheet of aluminum foil, taped that to the screen, and then I put just a piece of card to kind of hold it all together a little better. And then I took another wire, hooked it up to the other pop can, and I put it to a grounded area. So all this is I'm gonna put the cup on, and what's gonna happen, or what should happen, is when I turn on the monitor, the aluminum foil should pick up high voltage from the CRT monitor, and the CRT monitor is the old technology that actually emits electrons. So the electrons will be picked up via the aluminum foil. The current will be taken to the first pop can. The pop can will now have a bunch of electrons in it. They're all going to be repelling each other, so it's going to create electron pressure, and the electrons are going to be streamed from the can to this paper clip. What then will happen is the electrons will hit this conducting material on the cup and create this negatively charged. This can is a neutral charge, so it should attract to this side like this. So now the charged side is on the opposite end, and the electrons will come off the aluminum foil onto this paper clip, onto this can, and into the ground wire, and the electrons will go away, leaving this side of the can uncharged. And now this side of the can will be charged with a new flow of electrons, and the cycle will repeat, and we should get some rotation. The key word is should. This hasn't been working as good as it used to, but I will give it a shot right now. So here we go. Turn on the power, and it's struggling. But you get the point. I think it's just because it's off. It's off keel. Let me try this again. You can actually hear the voltage going through the line. It's kind of scary. So try it again. Yeah. Okay, well, it should be happening, it should be spinning, but you saw the other video. So, that's my project in a nutshell.